Hi everyone, my name is Victoria. Today I would like to show you this beautiful essential oil diffuser. I was sent this product for review and I'm glad because I love diffuser at my house, especially in my bedroom. So it will be great as a present for your family, for your friends. Let me just open it. So, comes in black color. Wow, I love the material. Feels so soft actually. It comes with instruction. Let me read the instruction first. It has so many buttons right here, so light. You can use as a night light, night mode. So you can set up the time 1, 3 hours, 6 hours, and this is on and off button. Alright, let's open it. Comes with this cable, remote control. So, all right. First we have to, you can download the app and use this diffuser from your phone. So let me place some water inside. And you can add your favorite oil. So it will be much more aromatherapy with oil like this. Let me plug in. I love the style actually. It will be great decoration for your house as well. So, right, it's on the side right here. I just want to show you. Let's press the button. Oh, okay. Start working. Wow, I love these colors. Night mode. It's blue light right here. Cool sound. So if you're looking for cool humidifier for your house, guys, I will definitely recommend to check this one. I love this beautiful sound. So if you can't sleep, I think this will be a great idea for you. Let me place in my bedroom and see how it's look like. Add some essential oil for aromatherapy. So let's press the button. I'm gonna turn off lights. Wow, amazing. So you can switch the sound if you can't sleep. There's a different kind of sounds like water, like birds. And you can use this remote control as well. I definitely love it, guys. Beautiful. Smells so